I was in the land of croissants. Well, so we don't want to talk about that it was in the summer and it's spring now, but I thought I have a lot of photos, so why not? It was good but not perfect trip because it was with my class, and it's not exactly classic vlog, but something kind of like that. So before French we were also in the Poland and Germany, but I can say we really went to the Poland because after the night trip everyone was so sleepy and the only desire was to go straight to the hotel. Yes! Woohoo! Чекай нам. Рунтур. Софія. So finally we made it to the Paris, and we have only 2 days in French and it's too short. If you want good trip, I think you need at least maybe a week or at least 5 days to explore the city somehow. So everything was nice. We were dropped in the middle of the street in the French, and we were to meet our tour guide, the old man that's all time talking about Paris history, French history. It was cool, but I think the info was a little overload. We were walking so really narrow streets, and I honestly have no idea how we all fit there. And then you're walking as someone lost, someone wander off, someone hanging around by the so many shops, and you're just trying not to lose because the group is really huge. By the way, the fall day was just a stroll around Paris. Then while we walking saw the bridge, we saw one lady taking photos for free, and oh my god, it was so beautiful because the photos turned out like old Parisian newspaper. I don't know, I still have it and it's amazing. Maybe I don't look so my best, I don't look amazing in these photos, but it's beautiful. I remember I bought tiny Eiffel Tower from the souvenir shop and I still have it. By the way, here it is. I think it's good. So the last part of the day we shall go to the boat trip, and total disaster. For some reason we got all confused and almost missed the boat. It's bad, yeah, But some words I can say about this boat trip, it was so amazing. Well, I took a lot of photos. We meet back at the lower level, all good. Then we have some free time. I had really dreaming of the croissants, but we didn't find any because we had so little time and we can't figure out what to do. So in the end we decided to go to the basic pizzeria. So, and finally we were supposed to meet at the Louvre. The entrance was free. They gave us some paper with all the information, but the line was crazy long. Luckily, it's moving pretty fast, and then we were in the Louvre, which is just massive. I saw so many amazing paintings, so of course Mona Lisa, but I show you the pics and videos later. By the way, I have still Louvre map. It's a pretty fun souvenir, I guess. And of course, I made my way to the Mona Lisa. But let me tell you, it was a total waiting in the line. But the sad part that this was the last moment in the Paris, because after that we hopped on the bus and headed straight to the Austria and the land. So it was an experiment. I'm making some kind of videos at first at all. But anyway, thank you for watching, dude. Bye!